Medical University is one of the top government medical universities in Russia and a popular choice for Indian students who wants to pursue MBBS abroad. What makes it stand out is its modern facilities including well-equipped labs, advanced diagnostic centers and university-run polyclinics. These give the students early hands-on experience with real medical equipments and patient care. From learning pathology in labs to practice diagnostics and helping patients under expert guidance, students get practical training at the very beginning. With English medium courses, skilled professors and a friendly environment, RSMU offers Indian students not just an MBBS degree but a complete career-ready medical education in Russia. So apply now at Rostov State Medical University and start your hassle-free MBBS journey with our official representatives RREC, reliable Russian educational consultants. Thank you.